Hi, this is Gakio. So in this channel, I can show you the various Japanese news. So today's topics it's about COVID-19. As you may know, in Japan now, the number of infected people is dramatically decreasing. So Japanese government, they decided to have a trial. So it's kind of begin conducting a proof of COVID-19 vaccination or negative test result. So they are going to start from the first one is the Kyoto Prefecture and followed by Hokkaido, Fukuoka Prefecture, so all over Japan. So I hope the trial will get a very great result so I can have a kanpai end of year. Yeah. So, alright, so see you tomorrow at AM. Bye bye.